Welcome to your tour of 11541 West Ashby Drive, located in Peoria, Arizona. It was built in 2020. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, charming home located on a corner lot. Let's go in and take a look. Nice 2-car garage. As you enter, to your left is the first bedroom. Nice shutters, all new gray carpet. Smells brand new in here. There's a view of your closet. All right, continuing on down, to your left is the hallway bathroom. Nice sized tub, brand new vanity, nice sized mirror. And continuing on to the tour is another bedroom. Brand new gray carpeting in the bedrooms, which is a nice touch. It matches the rest of the home. Here we are walking through the kitchen, which features an island, spacious pantry, charcoal cabinets, stainless steel appliances. There's your cooktop, which leads into the living room. As you can see, it's very spacious in here. Nice shutters, nice view of the backyard. Here is the primary bedroom. All brand new carpet, as we said. Shutters, nice view of the backyard as well. Let's look at the closet. We know how important that is. Lots of space in here. All right, let's check out your primary bathroom. Look at that shower. It's extra large. Lots of space in there. Dual vanity. Granite countertops in the bathroom too, which is so great. And private restroom. Next door to the primary bathroom, we're gonna take a look. Here's your living room again. And here's your extra large laundry room. Washer and dryer in unit. Okay, next, let's take a look at the inside of your garage. We're going to check out the backyard as we wrap up our virtual tour. If you are interested in scheduling a tour or applying today, please visit our website, rpmphoenixvalley.com.